Vanakkam, welcome to Prakriti Living. Today I am going to make a very nutritious and healthy breakfast recipe. It is packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals. Nuts are a powerhouse of energy and we should definitely tap it. It will keep us full for a very long time. The ingredients that we will need are pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, melon seeds, almonds, cashew, soaked peanuts, chia seeds and dates. I am taking about a teaspoon of each of them. Here I have taken 2 teaspoons of brown flattened rice or poha and soaked it in water. I have also soaked in about 5 to 6 black raisins in water. Here I have coconut milk taken from about quarter coconut. So these are the ingredients that we will need. If you do not have one or two of these ingredients, that's okay, but try to include as many of these as possible. Now in a mixer jar, I am adding in the ingredients one by one. We often miss out on a lot of micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, selenium, potassium and many others. To prevent the deficiency of any of these vitamins and minerals, having them like this is a very easy and tasty dish too. Iron deficiency is a common problem nowadays which can be easily dealt with by this drink. It boosts our energy levels tremendously. They are high on the calorie side too, so do be careful and do not take it every day, but twice a week should be fine. You can add any kind of aval or poha as per your choice. There are a lot of varieties. Grind them to a coarse paste by adding in some water. Now after grinding, mix it with the coconut milk which we had already prepared. The sweetness from the dry fruits, coconut milk, dates and dry grapes should be enough, but if you want further sweetness, you can add natural honey, about a teaspoon or as you prefer. I felt the sweetness was enough, so I am not adding any honey. You can also sprinkle about half a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder for a chocolatey flavor, but it tastes great with or without the cocoa powder. Here is our delicious, power-packed and healthy drink ready. There is no need to go in for any protein shakes or supplements hereafter. Hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.